What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're here on location of a buddy of mine. He bought a brand new ZL1 Camaro. He has a pretty good shot in the door. I'll show it to you here. So you can see it's deep. It's in there good. And I wanted to work on it here because we were gonna put it on the lift and bring it up. There was a hole underneath the door. I thought I could sneak right up in there, up underneath, but there's like a bracing actually that runs right along the dent, so it's really tight. So we're going to go down through the window. It is really sharp, so I got the heat gun out. We're going to heat it up just to make sure that paint doesn't crack or anything like that, make sure it's real pliable, and go from there. So the way I'm going to video this, I might just like set up the camera and just do a whole time lapse, like start to finish. So you'll see me kind of taking breaks and walking around, but I thought that might be neat to do here since we're gonna do it on location and do something a little different. So let's get going and see how this thing turns out. All right, we are all finished up. It came out good. I'll show you the results here. So the dent is gone. It was pretty tough to get to. That bracing was right there, really sharp. So you saw I just kept heating it up a lot and then tapping and then working it. But it came out good. I think the whole video was like 25 minutes. So, you know, I think it looks good. I think George will be happy. We'll ask George, what do you think, George? Check it out. Let me know what you think of it. See if it's good.
Wow. Wow.
Can't even tell, right? It's like it never happened.
Not at all. My God.
So
I can't even tell you where it was.
yeah, it came out really good. So we, you know, polished it up and you're all good to go. So the car is brand new, looking good. So now it's time to take it out for a joyride, right?
Yes.
Let's do it.